What is PCORI's funding application process? If you're considering applying for PCORI funding, it helps to understand how the application process works from start to finish. While it's thorough, the process is designed to be transparent and consistent for all applicants. It all begins with the PCORI Funding Announcement, or PFA. PCORI develops funding announcements through consultation with patients, caregivers, and other individuals within the broader healthcare community. This collaborative process helps ensure research priorities reflect real-world needs. Some funding opportunities are broad, inviting high-quality comparative clinical effectiveness research across many areas of health and healthcare. Others are more focused, targeting specific health conditions or topic themes. Active PCORI funding announcements are posted to PCORI's website, pcori.org. Make sure to review the active PFAs to identify which opportunity aligns with your research question. This ensures you're applying to the right funding mechanism and positioning your proposal to meet PCORI's funding criteria. The next step is submitting a letter of intent, or LOI. Applicants must submit an LOI based on the requirements outlined in the PFA. PCORI evaluates all LOIs using standardized criteria to ensure they meet administrative compliance and programmatic responsiveness. Applicants are notified of PCORI decisions to accept or decline projects advancing to the full application phase. If invited, applicants then submit a full application. Full applications must follow the submission instructions and requirements described in the specific PFA. PCORI will review these applications for administrative compliance and programmatic responsiveness. Applications that meet all requirements move forward to merit review. Next comes the online merit review, sometimes referred to as peer review or scientific peer review in other settings. PCORI's merit review process brings together external experts, including patients, clinicians, researchers, and other members of the healthcare community, to evaluate the merits of each application. PCORI carefully identifies and mitigates any potential conflicts of interest. In online merit review, reviewers provide evaluations in advance of a review panel discussion. Applications that are considered to be of high merit are then scheduled for merit review panel discussion and full panel scoring. During these discussions, reviewers collectively assess applications and assign final panel scores. All applicants, whether funded or not, receive detailed summary statements that include reviewer feedback. This feedback is intended to support learning and improvement, particularly for applicants who may wish to resubmit in a future cycle. After merit review, PCORI conducts a programmatic review. At this stage, PCORI may issue PCORI information requests, asking applicants to clarify questions raised during merit review evaluations or to address other programmatic considerations outlined in the PFA. Responses to these information requests help further inform programmatic funding recommendations, which consider factors such as scientific merit, programmatic alignment, portfolio composition, potential for impact, and adherence to PCORI methodology standards. Those funding recommendations are then reviewed by a PCORI selection committee. The Standing Selection Committee, or in some cases, a Special Selection Committee, is made up of members of PCORI's Board of Governors. The committee ensures that appropriate processes were followed and that appropriate considerations were made. If the committee concurs with the recommendations, it forwards them to the PCORI Executive Director. The process concludes with final award decisions. The PCORI Executive Director, acting under authority delegated by the Board of Governors, reviews the recommendations and makes final funding determinations in alignment with PCORI's board-approved commitment plan. Understanding this process can help you better prepare a competitive application and know what to expect at each stage. For detailed guidance and current funding opportunities, visit PCORI.org.